This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Town Realty property video is presented by Terry Smith. Welcome home. Well-kept condo right in Olde Towne. Maintenance-free condo located in the heart of Olde Towne Portsmouth. The kitchen includes newer stainless steel appliances and is open to the living/dining area. Balcony has a view of the water. One large bedroom and one bathroom. Enjoy living across from the marina and convenient to all the shops/restaurants/events Olde Towne has to offer. Condo fee includes all utilities, cable TV, pool, parking, community room, 24/7 security, elevator, lobby, master insurance, and grounds. For more information, review the details below.